It's your girl Jackie, Aina'S. Jackie, 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 Jackie. Jackie, 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 Jackie. You may already know and love me from YouTube. They call me Auntie Jackie. So Miss Riri herself called me and asked me to demo the Fenty Mattemoiselle lipsticks. And I said, oh, Riri, darling, of course, duh. The Fenty Mattemoiselle lipsticks, one, are my favorite formula. They're super creamy. Pigmentation on a 12 out of 10. Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle lipstick now has 10 new shades for a total of 24. They're trying to get all the bases covered, sis. 24 shades in total. 24 shades. Speaking of car insurance, we're gonna demo all of them today. This is I Quit. I quit. I quit too. Shoot, if you quit, I quit. So this one's a mauve dusty purple, but don't be turned off by the dust, sis. Dusty is not bad. Watch what happens when I give you one swipe. Look at this. Bars. The smoothness of it all. Rihanna, I don't know who you had to talk to get this formula. I feel like most mattes are drying, very tugging. You always sacrifice something. If it's a ton of pigment, then it's probably not going to be a very smooth application. But with the Mattemoiselles, you get all of that. You get all that. So that is I Quit. We are quitters. Bum, 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 bum. I Quit was for the grunge girls. I Quit was for the girls who maybe shop at Whole Foods. Now Big, and that's thick with 2 C's. The only thick we acknowledge in this household is a pink, a blue tone pink, a cool tone pink. It's not like a regular pink. I can wear pinks every day. Ooh, why did not scrub my lips first? Rihanna, sweetie, I'm so sorry. This is my comfort zone color. I can wear thick every day. Not only does it represent me as a person, as a congresswoman, this is an accurate representation of art imitating life. You know, because I'm thick, that's not funny. Shout out to my body lovers in the back. Ooh, you know what? This is a color I would usually run to put a lip liner on, but I actually like it as is. It looks really pretty by itself. I just felt like Ballerina Blackout needed a pink wig moment because that's pink. Hopefully your lips aren't as dry and crusty as mine while I demonstrate this one. Oh, baby, I love the way. Hey. Yes, one moment, please. Is this my Lambo dealer? Hello? I'm in a meeting, Clifford. I'm in a meeting. This is fun. This is funky. This is spunky. This is chunky. Hey. I do believe that Ballerina Blackout deserves a spot on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Ballerina Blackout is giving us divorce court looks, divorce court vibes and teas. This is definitely the lipstick that you wear to court hearings. It is. I don't make the rules. I'm just relaying the message. Scrub away some of the crust. Next we have, oh, it's called Turks and Caicos. This was the one I was the most excited about. Turks and Caicos. Who got a timeshare in Turks and Caicos? I'm coming to visit. This color with his hair. Watch, just you watch. Oh, this one's a little more matte than the other ones. And we're done. Just kidding. Yes. Yes. What if instead of yes, we did yes, yes? Would that alarm you? And that applicator lets me get right around that Cupid's bow. Unfortunately, Miss Riri, not all of us were blessed with a perfectly shaped Cupid's bow. Turks and Caicos. Bend and snap. Now, Turks and Caicos is the color you get. This is the color for the jet skis. This is the vibe for the jet skis. Turks and Caicos. This would be fire. This would be fire with some like little silver eyeshadow in the middle. Like if you put like a little highlight. Don't test me. Ooh, you see this. You weren't ready for this, were you? You know what? I freaking love these try on videos. These are the opportunities where I get to really creatively go out of my comfort zone and try things that like on a normal, everyday, busy Jackie Aina'S day, I just wouldn't think to grab a color like this. But now that I see what she looks like in Stunners though. If you don't mind, I'm just gonna be here taking selfies. This is the jet ski lip turned music video shoot lip. Did I show y'all the swatch? My bad. Here's the swatch. Turks and Caicos. Turks and Caicos. Turks and Caicos. Moving on to bigger and better things. Better careers. Better pizza. I have Flamingo Acid. I really like this name. Flamingo. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, and it matches my hair. Oh my God, the pigments. That's the most pigmented one so far. Yep. Most of you guys may or may not know, fuchsia pink is not one of my favorite colors. She mumbled to herself as she put the fuchsia pink wig in her cart. But this is the kind of pink I like. I like a darkened fuchsia pink, especially when she's mad. When she's mad, I feel like she's a lot more approachable. She's family friendly. You asked me, this is an alimony pink. You didn't ask me, but why else are you here? Leave. That doesn't matter. Wow, it's so weird. It actually looks red on me, but pink in the swatch. Now let's get down to business. Hear ye, hear ye. Who out here is sleeping on the Mattemoiselles? Speaking of car insurance, if you can't find a color that matches your vibe, I don't know what to tell you, sis. I changed my mind. I think this would be really cute with a gloss bomb. And as you guys know, I'm a woman of function. I'm a woman who likes to get the hell in and get the hell out. I appreciate the fact that I didn't have to put a liner for this to look good. I don't mind liner, but if I don't have to put it on, that's cool too. That ain't no problem. This is very pretty. Oh, that was just the sassiest hair flip. Excuse me. It wasn't trying to give you attitude. My lips are getting raw, but that ain't no problem. I do everything for the girls at Fenty. And I'll give you guys a whole swatch lineup at the end of the demo. I changed outfits again. So what? Mind your business. Mind your business. Ooh, we have a black. It's called effin' black. Effin' black. Or is it effin' black? Because when you say effin', I mean those are, hey. It's straight up black because I'm black. She's very vampy. I'm scared of her. Ooh, this actually looks so pretty with my look. Here's the swatch. Now the thing with a black like this, to really make it special, everything else has to be pretty simple. In my opinion, you don't have to listen to me. That's just my advice. Oh, I put on too much on this side, excuse me. You definitely have to have a certain swagger to pull off a black. I mean, it's all in how you carry yourself, how you wear it, how you feel it, the vibe, the mood, the look. You see yourself Millie rocking in this black. Like there's so many things to factor in. Ooh, this makes my teeth look like. She's sexy, she's cute, she's popular to boot. Ah! Definitely calling my attorney. This is the lipstick color that you wear with dark, like super dark sunglasses when the cops show up to your house. I have no clue. I don't know in Alexandra. Try apartment 504. Effin' black. I found your nose again. It was in my business. It was in my business. Oh, I just realized my nails match. Next color, please. Next in line. Next in line. Sometimes these lip swatch videos feel like DMV visits. I'm just waiting for who's next, that's all. Up next we have Violet Fury. Oh, Violet, you're looking very violet. In today's episode of doingthemmost.co.uk, extra.edu, I have the purple bundles to match the purple lip. I hope I look just as mythical as I feel. Oh, excuse me. I heard you was sleeping on how good I look. I've had this lipstick color on for way too long. I'm gonna move on. Never mind the fact that I didn't actually glue my wig on or just push right past it and get into the look anyway. I'm gonna get right up in your crop area. It's gonna crop my head right here. You're gonna stay right in the shot. Thanks. Did you have any questions? I kind of feel like it sets this like I don't really have my life under control vibe, you know? I'm spontaneous. Fenty makes some of my favorite oranges, hence the orange bundles. All orange lipsticks are not all made the same. Take notes from the Mattemoiselles. This new shade is pumpkin rose, honey. Pumpkin rose. Oh, that's a light orange. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Ooh, damn, that looks so good. Putting this in my stash immediately. I have a whole separate makeup. My filming makeup is completely separated from the makeup that I wear like every day. My everyday makeup is top shelf. I think I may have to put this on top shelf because this looks bomb. Ta-da, what can I ta-da? What can I ta-da? How you like me now? Pumpkin rose, you know what? I doubted you for a second and I was blind. Now I see. This is absolutely stunning. No liner even needed. What the heck? You don't even need a liner. It's just giving me all of the pumpkin spice latte fall feels. It's not quite fall, but doesn't matter. I think this would be a nice summer color too. She's cute. That was so pretty. What the heck? I was not expecting to like pumpkin rose that much. I'll never let y'all forget that single exists, honey. Single isn't new. Single's not new. I'm just throwing this one in there for fun. It's actually one of my favorite nudes. This will always be up there. This will always be top 5. One of my favorite nudes to this day. Bomb, she's creamy. I got more oranges for you, Zeddy. Speaking of Freckle Fiesta, I wore the hell out of Freckle Fiesta when Mattemoiselle's first launched. You really couldn't tell me anything. That color, the intensity? Are you serious? I like that it's kind of a darkened orange. I feel like once the color goes dark, it's just not as scary for a lot of people. You know what? I just realized this would make a really pretty cream blush. Now this one's definitely a little bolder than single, but come on, put your big girl panties on. I think if you could take single, you could take Freckle Fiesta. Okay, Dragon Mommy, what you got, Dragon Mommy? This one looks really spicy. Ooh. Not quite orange. She's like a neon. Oh my God, it's crazy how different these look on Camera with the green. Come on, man. Dragon Mommy is a perfect summer color. This color would be stunning on a 490. Do you see how I just threw that out there? I'm a 420, you're a 490. This would be banging. Want some deep dark tones, sis? This is that Unsolved Mysteries coral. And the last color in our orange family lineup is Tiger Teeny, which is the cutest name. And if you ask me if I think we have too many oranges, nope, nope, nope. Oh, that is so bomb. Would you like me to book your consultation? Orange. That's what this is. This is that. Would you like me to book your consultation? Orange. Office Ready orange. Staples Center orange. I just feel like this was the perfect way to end this swatch video. You can never come for Fenty's oranges. You just can't. You can try. Are we in love? Are we wild? Tiger Teeny, you can sit with us. Here are swatches of all 10 of the new Mattemoiselle lippies. Thanks guys for hanging out with me. Shout out to Fenty for calling me to get the job done. Get the job done. I hope to see you guys on another video. Bye.